Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on MATLAB basics. In this session, we will discuss about the variables that are used in MATLAB and how do we define them. First, we'll talk about defining a variable and how do you initialize its value. Suppose if I write x is equal to 4, this is how you define it, and also add its initial value into the program. You may also write it as x is equal to 4 and put a semicolon. This will prevent its printing. So you will just be writing the command. Next way of writing is say x is equal to square root of 25. This is another way of writing. You can see here the value of x is obtained as 5. Now, you may also write it without defining the variable altogether. Say square root of 49. Answer is 7. Answer ANS, as you can see, is the default variable which is given by MATLAB. Now, suppose if I want to use this variable answer into another equation, I can say it is 3124 divided by answer. You will see it is 446.2857. This ANS is nothing but 7. So that's how you have used this variable answer that you obtained and you have got this value. This is the new answer variable, or this is the value 446.2857 which is assigned to the variable answer now. Now let's write another equation. Say a is equal to 5 into 6. I'm putting a semicolon. Suppose if I say b is equal to a into 9.8. This value of b is now a into 9.8 and a in itself is 5 into 6. So it has multiplied 5 into 6 into 9.8. So this is another way of representing variable. Now let's talk about something which is called as multiple assignments. Suppose if I say a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and I say c is equal to a into b. I'm getting the value of c as 6 because it is a into b. So this is another way of defining multiple variables at a time. Now suppose if I write the command who, you can see your variables are a, answer, b, c and x. And to the right also you can see in the workspace these are the variables. So this command who, as we have discussed in the previous class, is used to know what are the various variables that I have in my program till now. Now suppose if I write whose, you can see that each variable has been properly classified as its size, the number of bytes it has taken, what is the class of the variable, say it is double or it is int 8 or it is int 32. So that is how you are going to get all the details of a particular variable by using this command whose. Now suppose if I write clear x, you can already see the value of x is 5. Suppose if I write clear x, what happens is x disappears from here, which means it is cleared. And suppose if I write the command clear, you can see all these variables has disappeared now. Suppose if I write who, I don't get any response to it because there are no variables that are having values stored in it. Also, if you write whose, you will not get any response to it. So this is how you define variables. There is more ways of defining them. Let's first clear all. Okay. Now we will have long assignments which can be done. For example, somebody may write Initial velocity is 2.5. Acceleration is 9.8. Time is say 15 seconds. And I can find out final velocity, which is initial velocity plus acceleration into time. This is the value of final velocity. So what I have done is actually I have given some long names to the variable. This is called as long assignment. Now, next we will talk about format command. You just saw I used two more commands, clear all and CLC, which was used for clearing the values of the variable and the command window respectively. So we will go for some format commands which we have discussed in the previous class. Suppose if we say format long 7 plus 10 by 3 plus pi raised to 2.5. You can see here I have got the value of x. When I use format long, it means that after decimal I will get 16 digits. Next we'll talk about format short, and I'll write the same equation. Now you can see after the decimal you get only 4 digits. Next let's talk about format bank. This is used to round the numbers to 2 decimal places. So suppose if I use the same equation, you can see it is 66.24. Since it was 235, the digit 3 has been rounded off to 4. Next I'll talk about format short e. Let's write the same equation. You will see that after the decimal value you will have 4 digits and then an exponential term. Suppose if I write format long e and the same equation, after decimal there will be 16 digits and the exponential term. Last we'll talk about format RAT. This is going to give you the closest rational number. I'm writing the same equation again. This is the closest rational number that I get. So this is how you can write the same equation, get different values for it in different formats that you want using different format commands. So with this I end the session. I hope you have understood how do you assign variables in MATLAB. If you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.